Hi everyone, Gemma here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the 24 pack of WHSmith brush pens. First up is the price. These are available in both a 12 pack and a 24 pack. The 12 pack is around £13 and the 24 pack is £25, and they are often on offer at half price. Comparing that to Tombow's, you get about double the amount for your money, but are they half the quality? No, I would argue that they're about the same quality as Tombow brush pens and offer better value for money. In terms of usability, they feel very similar to Tombow brush pens. It's easy to achieve thick and thin lines and they're very user friendly. I've been using my pens for a couple of years now and they're still holding up okay in terms of quality. In terms of colours, they're bright and vibrant. All of your basic colours except for a grey are featured in the 12 pack, and then additional pretty colours are featured in the 24 pack along with the base colours. I personally think that there's enough colour variety so that you won't get bored for choice. These pens are dual tipped, so they have both the brush pen end and they have a fine liner on the other side. A personal frustration of mine with these pens is that you couldn't put the cap on the other end of the pen whilst writing, or so I thought anyway. It was only when recording this video that I realised that you have to actually flip the lid around for it to attach itself. I don't know if that's obvious and I've just been a bit dumb for the last 2 years, but I'd argue that it's not particularly obvious, as that's not what you normally do. Plus, the other cap comes off when you go to put it back on. To sum up, despite the small annoyance around the caps, I would definitely recommend these brush pens, and I have actually recommended these to friends and family. They're user friendly, they have nice colours and they offer good value for money. I don't know what else you could ask for really. Okay, so that sums up my thoughts on these brush pens. Let me know down in the comments what you think of these pens if you've tried them out, or if there's another brush pen that you think I should be having a look at. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, as I often do stationery reviews, and thank you for watching.